Welcome, first graders and their parents. We are excited to be sending home with you on a weekly basis these video opportunities to not only to give you an insight into what's happening in the classroom, but to really give you an opportunity to spend some time, 10 minutes, 3 nights a week, working with your child on some math. So this week that we've been focused on 3D shapes. So our first activity is just that. I'd love you to have you go through the house and find cylinders and write down, what different items are a cylinder, what different items are a rectangular prism, what different items are a sphere, what different items are a cube, and have some fun with that. Our second page really focuses on addition and subtraction. We've given you laid out some marbles for you. You can count with the marbles if that helps. You can use the 10 frame if that helps, or if you know 8 plus 2 and you know its value, please write it down. It's also a great opportunity for you to work on writing your numbers. I know this is an area we're still all developing. So again, addition and subtraction is a review of opportunities we've seen. And then as we look at our last page is a challenge yourself. Okay, and it is a challenge. I do not expect, for some of our children, they might get this right away. For some of our kids, this might be really a challenge. It truly is. The goal is to raise the bar and think them critically. So you have 3 problems here. I'm thinking of a 2-digit number. The sum of my digits is 8, and my 1's digit is 2 more than my 10's digit. What number am I? I'm trying to find that. Also, 24 minus, or 24 lose, or 24 subtract. What number gives us 15? And then the last one, Mr. Harrison tried to count backwards by 3s, start at the number 42, but he made a mistake. Can you circle his mistake and rewrite the numbers correctly? So in other words, counting by 3s, someplace he went wrong. Can you find where he went wrong, circle it, and then ultimately fix that moving forward? Okay? Enjoy yourselves, guys, and we look forward to continuing to do this on a weekly basis. And if you have any questions, please ask your teachers. Thank you.